After talking with two of my kids and my husband, we all agreed that there needed to be some type of hill in front of the ski chalet so my little kids and sleds could go sliding down. Unfortunately, I don't have any skiers. I believe somebody even commented on one of the videos asking if I planned on doing that. So we got talking about it, my husband and I, and he decided that he was gonna go ahead and build me yet another platform. So here's what it looks like right now. It looks pretty plain and open. So I'm gonna pause the video and put the piece up and show you what it looks like. All right, here is the finished look. So not only did he give me a place to build a hill, but he gave me more spaces for houses without taking away any of the table space. So it's only on, so this table is the suburbs table. It's only on this table just a little bit, and then it takes up the whole front of the other table. This space it's not usable for a house anyways because it's not very wide. So this worked out perfect. What my thought is, from the styrofoam base here, just kind of building down a little hill out of styrofoam, and then next to it over on the side I can put another house, and then the lower level I can put another 2 houses. So as I was talking with him about how I can cover up the front of this, he gave me an idea, and I can take it up to these areas in between the other platform layers. So I just have to do a little figuring out how I want it to look and making them. So that will require more styrofoam work as well, and then more styrofoam work on building a hill. So yeah, it's really starting to come together. It's, you know, one thought leads to another and the process just starts building. So